We're here today at the 12th Annual Human Rights Conference where we have Tom Colicchio speaking. He's from Top Chef and he does a lot about food advocacy and policy. And we have Karen Washington and Lovely Randall, who we're also talking today about food insecurity.
Often we think of hunger in other countries, we think of famine, we think of war are sort of leading causes of hunger, but we have hunger right here in this country.
We grow enough food, we waste enough food. That food is not getting down to the people that need it the most. So that's where we need to start.
You can't ask people to eat healthy when they don't have healthy food options. That's number one. It's not rocket science, the fact that cheap processed food ends up in poor neighborhoods, urban or rural, and healthy food is in wealthy neighborhoods. It's not a rocket science.
Whether it's food access or access to healthy food as a whole, it's better for everyone to be involved. And so I'm hoping that this will spark interest from all of the stakeholders, from our policymakers, from our community organizations, just for everyone to just get around the table and see how we can combat this issue.
The lack of adequate, nutritious food is the most basic human rights violation in the world today. That is why the Human Rights Institute has chosen to shine a light on issues related to hunger and food insecurity and to educate our students, colleagues, and community members about what we can do to help end hunger in our lifetime. The annual Human Rights Institute Awards place a spotlight on individuals and organizations who are committed to addressing human rights violations around the world and in their own backyard.
When we created the Human Rights Institute about a dozen years ago, the idea was not only to educate our students and our teachers and our staff and members of our community, but everybody around here that has an interest in human rights.
The idea of knowing how to take scraps of food and turning them into breakfast the next day or working them into lunch was something that used to be taught in school. And it's not anymore. So we do have a huge problem. Again, 40% of what we produce in this country is wasted. At the same time, we have people that are hungry.